If you could witness what unfolds in the unseen world when Ayat al-Kursi is recited with sincerity, your heart would tremble, not out of fear, but out of awe. You would never allow a night to pass without it. You would not leave your home, begin a journey, or close your eyes in sleep without wrapping your soul in this divine protection. Because in that very moment of recitation, something begins to move in the unseen. Angels gather around you, shame flee from you, harm that was written for you is delayed or erased, and the mercy of Allah surrounds you like a shield made of light. Most people recite Ayat al-Kursi with their tongues while their hearts are asleep. They say the words, but the words don't echo inside their chest. They memorize the letters, but they miss the reality behind them. Ibn Arabi, among many other scholars, emphasized a powerful truth. Ayat al-Kursi is not recited by the lips alone, it is recited by a heart that knows who Allah truly is. A heart that recognizes His power, His knowledge, His dominion, His protection, and His control over every grain of sand, every beat of a heart, every moment of existence. Ayat al-Kursi is not simply a verse for blessing. It is armor. It is a spiritual wall. It is a medicine for the soul. It is a shield no human, jinn, or hidden force can penetrate. It is light in darkness and clarity in confusion. Today, your heart will hear Ayat al-Kursi in a way it has never heard it before. Today, you will understand why this is the greatest verse in the entire Quran, as stated clearly in authentic hadith. And why the believer who holds on to it does not walk through this world alone, not for a single moment. 1. It breaks the idols inside the heart. The greatest idols are not the ones made of stone. They are the ones silently worshipped inside the heart. Some worship approval without realizing it. Some worship fear. Some worship money. Some worship control. Some worship people. Whenever the heart depends on something more than Allah, that thing becomes an idol, an unseen object of fear, hope, or attachment. A person may say, I believe in Allah, yet their heart trembles at the idea of losing wealth, losing a relationship, losing respect, or losing status. Their fear becomes heavier than their trust in Allah, and that imbalance becomes a subtle form of worship. Ayat al-Kursi breaks those chains. The name Allah itself, mentioned at the beginning of the verse, is a sword of Tawhid. When the tongue recites this verse and the heart listens, it wakes up from its hidden slavery. You begin to realize. No one gives except Allah. No one takes except Allah. No one protects except Allah. No one honors except Allah. No one controls destiny except Allah. Fear becomes small. People become small. The world becomes small. And Allah becomes great. Ayat al-Kursi does not only protect your physical being, it frees your heart from false gods. Ego melts. Attachment breaks. Fear collapses. And the heart bows to the one who owns the throne. 2. It cuts the strings of control. Many people live their lives scared of what others might do to them. They fear losing a job because of a boss. Fear losing reputation because of family. Fear losing opportunities because of jealous people. Fear that someone can block their future. Ayat al-Kursi teaches a truth that liberates the soul. No one controls your destiny except the one who owns the Kursi. Not your family. Not society. Not enemies. Not jealous friends. Not anyone. People can try to harm you, but if Allah wants good for you, their plans collapse. People can try to take your rizq, but rizq comes from the owner of the heavens and the earth. People may close every door in your face, but Allah can open a door without a wall behind it. When the heart understands this, it becomes light. You stop living like a slave to people's opinions. You stop trying to please everyone. You stop trying to please everyone. You stop giving power to people who don't deserve it. Ayat Al-Kursi reminds your soul that everything, every breath, every blessing, every moment, is in the hands of the one whose throne extends over the heavens and the earth. This knowledge gives freedom, dignity, and peace. 3. It returns the soul to its creator. Many believers pray, fast, read Quran, and still feel empty. The heart feels far from Allah. The body is alive, but the soul is tired. This distance does not happen overnight. It starts small, through distractions, stress, sadness, sins, and worries. The dunya begins to bury the soul like dust covering a mirror. Ayat al-Kursi wakes the soul. When recited with presence, it reminds you. Allah is alive. Allah is watching. Allah is near. Allah is caring for you. Allah is protecting you in every moment. It shakes the heart gently and pulls it back toward awareness. You begin to feel Allah again. Not just know about Him, but feel His closeness in your pain, His mercy in your mistakes, His care in your struggles. Ayat al-Kursi brings the soul back home. The world becomes small. Allah becomes great. Problems become lighter because you are not carrying them alone. The heart softens. Faith rises. The believer no longer walks lost, they walk guided. 4. It removes silent anxiety. There is a hidden anxiety that many people carry. A fear no one sees. A heaviness behind a smiling face. They overthink. They imagine future problems. They replay past mistakes. They carry worries no one knows about. This anxiety steals sleep and removes peace. But when a believer recites Ayat al-Kursi with understanding, something changes inside. The heart remembers. Allah never sleeps. Allah never forgets. Allah never gets tired. Allah never abandons His servant. The mind stops racing because it realizes that everything is already under divine control. Fear shrinks. Stress weakens. The believer begins to feel safe. Ayat al-Kursi does not remove problems from life, it removes the fear of those problems. It replaces panic with patience, stress with trust, and chaos with tranquility. 5. It restores honor that people tried to break. There are moments when people insult you, betray you, lie about you, or try to break your dignity. The heart feels crushed, not from loss, but from disrespect. Ayat al-Kursi reminds the believer. Honor belongs to Allah. People may try to humiliate you, but they cannot touch what Allah has written. They may try to push you down, but they cannot stop what Allah plans to raise. They may close doors, but Allah opens doors no one knew existed. When the heart understands this, it becomes calm. You stop begging for respect. You stop explaining yourself to everyone. You leave your honor with Allah. And Allah becomes your defender. He replaces humiliation with dignity, loneliness with support, and pain with healing. Days pass, and those who mocked you watch Allah lift you higher. This is the justice of Ayat al-Kursi. 6. It reveals hidden enemies. Some people smile at you but carry envy inside. Some call you friend but hope for your failure. Some pretend to support you but speak against you in the dark. Ayat al-Kursi places your life under the protection of the one who sees every intention. When you recite it with trust, Allah begins to expose what was hidden. You start noticing. Who disappears when you need help? Who becomes distant when you succeed? Who gets uncomfortable when Allah blesses you? Ayat al-Kursi protects you not only from jinn but from humans who carry jealousy quietly. Allah removes them from your life gently, through distance, disagreements, or time. And when they plan against you, Allah surrounds their plan with His plan. The believer walks with confidence because even if the enemy is hidden, Allah is not. 7. It protects you from yourself. Shame is dangerous, but your own ego is more dangerous. The ego pushes you toward anger, pride, jealousy, sin, and desires that break the heart. Sometimes a person loses not because someone harms them, but because they harm themselves. Ayat al-Kursi becomes a light inside the soul. It exposes the tricks of the ego. You notice yourself before you speak harshly. You stop yourself before choosing sin. You control anger instead of letting anger control you. You begin to fight the enemy inside you. This is the greatest victory a believer can achieve. 8. It opens closed spiritual doors. There are moments when worship feels heavy, dua feels empty, and the heart feels blocked. This is a sign of spiritual distance. Ayat al-Kursi melts that barrier. Slowly, the heart begins to soften. Dua becomes real. Prayer becomes peaceful. Tears begin to fall. Faith becomes sweet again. This verse reopens the doors between you and Allah. 9. It brings rizq that logic cannot explain. Rizq is not only money. It is peace, health, support, opportunities, and protection from harm. Ayat al-Kursi brings a type of barakah that cannot be measured by logic. Sometimes little becomes enough. Sometimes problems disappear without explanation. Sometimes doors open without effort. This is Allah's hidden help. The believer under this verse receives rizq that money alone cannot buy. Peace, protection, ease, contentment. 10. It makes worship sweet and sin bitter. When Ayat al-Kursi enters the heart regularly, worship becomes light. Prayer becomes comfort. Quran becomes healing. Sin becomes heavy and painful. You start desiring obedience and feel ashamed to disobey. This is a sign of a heart that Allah has illuminated. 11. It fills homes with light. A home may look perfect on the outside yet feel spiritually heavy. Ayat al-Kursi brings tranquility that settles into the walls, the air, and the hearts of those inside. Arguments decrease. Children sleep peacefully. Negative energy leaves. Angels enter. Shayatan flee. The home becomes a sanctuary. 12. It gives strength when your body is weak. Sometimes life becomes too heavy. The body is exhausted, the heart is tired, and the mind is overwhelmed. Ayat al-Kursi gives strength from the inside. It reminds you that Allah is carrying you. You gain the energy to continue. You find hope rising again. You feel supported by the unseen. This is strength that medicine cannot give. 13. It changes the destiny of a night. The Prophet said that whoever recites Ayat al-Kursi before sleeping, Allah appoints an angel to guard them until morning. One night of sincere recitation can rewrite a person's destiny. A danger meant for you may be lifted. A blessing that was far may come near. A difficulty written for you may be erased. Allah does not need years to change your life, He can change it in a single night. 14. It teaches you to love the Creator more than creation. Most people love what Allah gives but forget the one who gives it. Ayat al-Kursi teaches the heart to love Allah first. When Allah becomes the foundation of your love, every other love becomes healthier and safer. You do not break when people leave. You do not collapse when blessings change. Your peace remains because your anchor is Allah, not the world. 15. It gives a beautiful ending. Every soul will leave this world, but not every soul leaves in peace. Ayat al-Kursi plays a powerful role in giving the believer a blessed ending. When recited before sleep, the believer sleeps under the protection of an angel. If death comes in that night, they meet Allah while remembering Him, trusting Him, and protected by Him. A heart that lived with Ayat al-Kursi does not die in darkness, it dies with light. This is the most valuable ending a believer can ask for. Sparkle's final message. Ayat al-Kursi is not a verse to be recited casually. It is a treasure. A shield. A mercy. A protection. A healing. A light that accompanies you in every moment of your life, in your grave, and on the day of judgment. Hold on to it. Live with it. Let it surround you. Let it guard your days and your nights. Because the believer who walks with Ayat al-Kursi never walks alone.